How to book multi-services on Acuity Scheduling. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a booking for multiple services for your specific client or the customers of yours into the Acuity Scheduling. So the first thing that you need to do is you head over scheduling or acuityscheduling.com. Then you are going to sign in for your account. For those who doesn't know what is Acuity, it is going to be a booking or appointment booking service or calendar that will help you here to organize the appointments or the bookings in general for your website or for your work. It is going to be a platform that is in relation with Squarespace. So you're going to click on Get Started. Then you're going to have your specific account in here. So as you can see, we have here the specific activity scheduling dashboard. Now we're going to head over the calendar. Now, from the calendar, you're going to see everything. We're going to start by adding here the service. And for the multi-service booking, or rather the appointment booking for multiple services, you're going to select multiple only days, for example, and also multiple times. So we are going to start by here at Sunday. This is the date of Sunday. Then we are going to have, let's say, here the March 2, for example, we are going to choose an appointment type. For example, we have some consultations. We're going to have here a consultation. Maybe if you are going to manage a salon or something like that, you're going to be free to add whatever you want from the scheduling pages and etc. Now you can go ahead and have, as you can see, the date and time. Then you are going to have the, for example, the type of the time, if it is going to be recurring for the days or not. You can customize that. You can put the client name or details, as you can see. For example, you're going to have here something added like here we are going to have like that, and then you're going to have the email after that, email.com, for example. And when you finish, you're going to set up the schedule. So either you are going to schedule the appointment or schedule but don't send confirmation notification. So I'm going basically here to send the notification authenticate the notification in here, because it is going to be a matter of time and also precision. If we do not send it to the client, you're going to have it just not that normal. So basically, we are going to have here the this specific or this first service. You're going to have it like that, and if you're going to manage or book multiple services, you're going to have them here. Just you're going to change the specific consultation type. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.